Hello everybody, my name is Indu Das and this video is to show you how you can fix a problem with the GPS location on an iPhone. The case in hand is a iPhone 6, but I will assume this will apply to other versions of the iPhones as well. So basically what was happening here was the location was off by few hundreds of feet or even more in some cases. So instead of a pinpointed location on a street, it would show me a big circle of maybe 200 or more feet radius, and which naturally was causing confusion and was giving me wrong directions. So it would happen on both Google Map as well as iPhone maps, and at the exact same time when I used my wife's iPhone side by side with this particular phone, my wife's iPhone would show me accurate directions, meaning it was not an issue with the satellite or anything like that. It was completely phone specific problem. So I tried all those standard means that people have suggested online. That means resetting the map, resetting the location surveys, even uninstalling and installing the Google Map, etc. back, but nothing helped. Then somewhere I read online that it happens when the Wi-Fi antenna signal flex cable, that's what it's called, that particular component of the iPhone is bad, or it is gone bad. So I decided to replace them. Again, on YouTube I found a couple of videos which shows exactly how to do that, and I will include the link here in the description. But I still wanted to share my own experience because the process is not as smooth as it may seem. So maybe it'll still help you. But the long story, and also since those videos have the side by side steps, I will try to skip them here. But long story short, yes, Wi-Fi antenna signal flex cable. That's something like a $4 component that I got online. That is the one that fixed the problem. And altogether, it took me about an hour or so to replace it. So enjoy watching. Thank you. So this is after I installed the antenna signal flex cable and packed everything back as it was. While packing, please remember to use each of these screws at the exact same place where you unscrewed from. I will recommend using a map like this one and then using a double-sided tape to glue the screws as you unscrew them. Also, be very careful with each of the connector and wire harness. If they are not pushed properly and if you don't hear the click sound, it might not have been plugged completely, and which means it'll not work. I needed to reopen my phone once just to handle this problem. Other than that, this is not as difficult job as some might have you believe.